Did you know that nearly 80% of millionaires started with nothing? And some began with less than $100? Or what would you do if I told you $100 could change your financial future? Turning $100 into something much bigger isn't just a dream, it's a challenge worth taking. In this video, you'll see how to grow even the smallest amount into a fortune, and the mindset you need to make it happen. Most people fail to grow their money because they're afraid of losing it. Others assume you need thousands to start investing, or they simply don't know where to begin. This fear of risk and lack of knowledge keeps them stuck, and it's costing them valuable time and opportunities. But there are real ways you can start with just $100. You could put it into a low-cost index fund and let compound growth work for you. You could flip thrift finds or start a micro business online. Plenty of people have turned $100 into thousands reselling sneakers or vintage items. Or you could invest in a skill, buying a course or tools that let you freelance and earn more over time. The key is picking something realistic, starting small, and staying consistent. One inspiring story is of a young woman who took $100, bought used furniture to refurbish and sell, and within 2 years grew it into over $20,000. The strategy wasn't magic, it was commitment, creativity, and patience, and that's what really makes the difference. So don't wait for more money or the perfect time. Start now, use what you have, and keep learning and growing as you go. Share in the comments, what would you do today if you only had $100 to grow? And don't forget to check out my next video for more smart financial moves you can make right now. Ask ChatGapt.